We have 4 staff full-time. One of those is a full-time gardener. He looks after the homestead grounds here. We have approximately 1,000 breeding cows that equates to about anything between 2,500 and 3,000 head of cattle on the property at any one time. And they tend to graze probably half that area. The other half of the area, we approximately 6,000 acres, we set aside for grain production, which is wheat and barley, canola, fava beans, those sorts of things. But yeah, basically our main income in the last couple of years has been livestock. Predominantly, I'd say household use. Basically, there's 5 houses on the place, which house the staff, etc. But probably our biggest energy consumption is our water pump, which is out of a bore. The bore is approximately 60 metres deep, but we pump from about 38 metres. And unfortunately, that supplies basically all the water around all the homestead, all the staff quarters, livestock yards, and this garden around here, which is about 5 acres. So the garden actually consumes a lot of water. So the pump, in prior time, before we set the solar up, was running pretty well a lot of the night time. We used to water overnight so we could maximise our water usage. Since we've got the solar on, we've tended to swap around a bit, but now we're watering a lot during the day, take advantage of the energy that's being produced during the day. So, and our power bills have gone down considerably. I had a bit of a quick look the other day. During the winter months, we don't notice a huge, bearing in mind the price of power has got more expensive in the intervening years. It's cheaper, probably 10% cheaper in the winter months. Where we're noticing the big savings for us is all those summer months when we're using the water. I reckon our power bill is 50% cheaper over summer than what it was before. And I had a bit of a quick look the other day. Overall, the whole year, it's somewhere between 30 and 40% less than what it was prior, and that's not including any power price increases in the meantime. So it's been very beneficial.